I strongly believe that I may be wrong about Kaizer Chiefs. I may be wrong about Kaizer Chiefs considering the fact that Kaizer Chiefs right now, looking at how they played against Kruger United and not really understanding this beef that Cedric Kaze and Khalil Ben Youssef had against the young Luke Baartman, I mean, a guy who was taken up to the DDC team, that is Luke Baartman. I don't understand what beef do they have. The issue of favoritism amongst coaches is going to kill South African football. And we can see that favoritism when it comes to a player such as Miguel, Inacio Miguel, because honestly speaking, when is actually Rushin Dudley going to get an opportunity to be able to be there at the center back of that particular team of the Kaizer Chiefs team? I'd be wrong about the issue of Kaizer Chiefs not winning the league. Actually, Kaizer Chiefs may win this particular league if Kaizer Chiefs keeps on and on a team like on a player, if Kaizer Chiefs keeps on a player like Luke Baartman, and if he actually becomes injury free, if they can keep on Luke Baartman and perhaps add two more players. I mean, if they can add one player up front, not a Pesitao but a player of Pesitao's caliber. A player of Cassius Mailula's caliber, a player of a lodge of this world, because Mabuye, a fit Mabuye, we know can be one of the best midfielders. Actually, is one of the best midfielders in the PSL, a fit Mabuye. So having Mabuye with the confidence, having Vilagazi being confident, having a Luke Baartman that should be injury free, having a Mayo that would come back to fight, having a Da Silva or a Silva that is there up front. The Modi is a substitute, because what will happen is that Modi will be sitting on the bench, but this is going to motivate him to work extra harder, especially when he realizes that a Luke Baartman is taking over. So actually, the issue of contractual issues amongst players and teams is killing the talents of other players, because when it comes to Maccabi Lepo, it looks like a Maccabi Lepo, there was a clause that would say he must play a certain amount of games for as long as he's not for as long as he is injury free within a season. So that would then be bad for the career of a Luke Baartman. So at this particular point in time, if Luke Baartman can be kept